Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Khyrnit ke sangma uloong baha kajingyalang jong kenhuan menteri kabalalong menta kasngi kilarai ban ai Khusnam ki Nongthoh kot Kejala khnang ban kentiu ya Ktien tanrai la jong ka Kynthup ha Ktien Khasi bat ha Ktien Garo uloong bakani kajingrai ban ai Khusnam ru kalong ban tenru ya ka sarkar pedeng bakan Kynthup no ya Ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ka Khyrnit ka bapra jong kariti sensar kari uloong bagate ka Khusnam ka dei ka balatip kertengkum ka State Literary Award bat kinong job kinyo eka Khusnam kabalong shilak tingka marway kata ha Ktien Khasi bat ha Ktien Garo.
Well, right now we have pushed for Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, and hence these are the two languages that have been pushed. We are going forward with the recommendations that we have put in our resolution that we have passed in the assembly. And therefore, these are the two languages we're pushing in. All the languages are very important to us. And at different levels, of course, we will do our best to promote all the languages. But as I said, the resolution has been passed for the two languages, and hence we are starting with this. And as we move along, tomorrow there may be demand for other dialects and other languages and other tribes also coming in. And definitely, as a state government, we would like to see that all the people, citizens, and tribes in our state should get the recognition that they would want, and we will do our best to promote. But the fact that this was never done in the past governments have not taken much interest in this. This is for the first time that these kind of awards are being done. I think it's a very, very great step, and it shows the commitment of this government to promote the local language. And this is a start, and much more will be there in the days to come. Push and importance to our own language and promote our languages, and hence the State Literary Awards has been constituted. The Cabinet has also decided to come out with the State Literary Awards to authors, and this is being done as per our decision to ensure that we promote our own languages, especially our own indigenous language, which is Khasi and Garo language. And apart from the resolution that we had passed in order to push the government of India to include Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, and apart from other supports that we're giving to ensure that we promote the languages, this is one more step towards promoting our language, which is to now come out with an annual State Literary Awards for authors for local language, one award in Khasi and one award in Garo. And we're starting with a cash award of 1 lakh each. And every year there will be a committee which will be headed by the director, which will screen different nominations that may come in. People can self-nominate also, as well as others can also nominate them. And after screening, the committee will then propose the list to the government.